What's up everyone, this is Tyler over at Boardco. Today I'm going to be going over our most asked question, that is how to remove a prop. First off, I'm going to be going over a couple of different tools that you'll need to start. So first off, we have just a pair of pliers to get the cotter pin off, a couple different sizes of sockets, I'll go over the sizes in a minute, an impact gun or a handheld ratchet, an extension, a cotter pin, and also a new prop nut. There's a couple different pullers that you can use. Well, there's a standard prop puller, or there's also your harmonic prop puller. I'll get into the different methods in a minute. The next step is going to be to get our prop nut off. We can do that one or two ways. If you're going to use a hand ratchet, make sure that you have one person holding the prop and another person using the ratchet. In this case, we're going to be using our impact gun with our extension and just a normal socket. So our next step is going to be to get the prop off. Again, there's a couple different methods. The first one I'm going to be going over is a normal prop puller. This one just goes in between the prop blades and sandwiches itself on the strut in the back. And then you'll just use a socket and just keep turning that and it'll eventually work that prop its way out. Another method is going to use the harmonic balancer. What you do is you screw this onto the end of the strut and you take a sledgehammer or a normal hammer and just strike it, and the vibration from the strike will actually start to move that prop off. I personally like the harmonic balancer a little bit better, so that's the one that we're gonna go with. Again, you're just gonna screw it on the end of your shaft, back it off the prop a little bit. Now we'll take our sledgehammer and we'll hit it. Now our prop is free. I'm gonna screw the prop puller off. Now be careful when you take this off, there is a little keyway in here that you want to make sure you don't lose. So we'll slide that off. There's that keyway. One thing to note is that the prop nut is a nylock nut, meaning you're not supposed to really reuse it. If you are in a pinch, you can throw it back on, but make sure you place it with a brand new nut. Same thing with your cotter pin. So today we're gonna be throwing on a new prop nut and also a new cotter pin. Now we're gonna be putting the new prop back on. I mentioned that keyway, so there's a little notch in the prop. You'll slide that keyway in, and you'll line that up with the keyway on the shaft when we press it on. Now we'll line up our keyway and slide our prop on. We'll take our new prop nut, we'll get that started. And the last step is gonna be to put our cotter pin in. One last thing to note is when you are looking for a prop puller, make sure you know the shaft diameter on your boat, whether it be 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, 1 1/8, so on and so forth. Just make sure that you get the right prop puller. I hope this video on how to pull your prop is very helpful. If you have any further questions or just looking to get a new prop or get your boat serviced or looking at getting into a new boat, please go to boardcoboats.com. All the links will be in the description, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks everyone.